Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Premiere Pro audio track mapping for multi-track recording step by step clearly. First, open Adobe Premiere Pro and create a new project or open an existing one. Import your multi-track recording files into the project. In the project panel, locate your audio files and select them. Right-click on the selected audio files. Choose Modify from the drop-down menu. Then, select Audio Channels. In the Audio Channels window, you'll see options for channel mapping. Select the audio track you want to map. Choose the corresponding channel configuration from the drop-down menu. You can assign the audio tracks to different channels based on your needs. After making your selections, click OK to apply the changes. Now, drag your audio files onto the timeline. You should see the audio tracks arranged according to your mapping preferences. To fine-tune your audio, expand the audio track heights for better visibility. Use the audio mixer panel to adjust levels and pan settings for each track. If needed, add effects or transitions to enhance your audio. Finally, play back your timeline to ensure the audio is mapped correctly. Make any necessary adjustments to the audio tracks. Once everything sounds good, you are ready to export your final project. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.